So, about a year ago, we did a major remodel in our bathroom. I mean, we gutted it right to the studs, to the subfloor, everything. And we replaced the bathtub with a nice jacuzzi, whirlpool bath, new ceramic tile floor, porcelain tile, new oak trim, dark walnut stain, new granite countertop for a walnut vanity. And my wife did a beautiful job of decorating and making everything match. The only problem we have is that register. We could not find anything. So I have decided I'm going to build my own. I need a door too, but that's later. So we are going to build a register. So I designed a register up in SketchUp. It's pretty boxy looking, but uh, I'll dress it up with an OG bed or fluted or something. But the idea here is it will frame in that opening, and there's 12 veins to allow the airflow to come through. Now the trick thing about this is I want these veins to be directional. In other words, I want to be able to control which way they go. So you can see on the ends there are pins there to pivot on, and those pins are the axis point as an axle is top and bottom in the same position, and then to the rear or inboard further back is another set of pins that will actually tie all these together, which will have them rock or pivot in unison. So when we move them back and forth, they all move in the same direction. You can see I have holes on the end. That was an idea to put a dowel through there so I could push and pull and attach it with something, but I'm not going to do that. And I've got the bottom cleared because assuming that this is going to be really kind of fidgety, thinking that I was going to have some assembly issues, I figured I'd put it in there so I could kind of tune it in. I'm not going to do that either. So I'm just going to leave it basically like a picture frame, and I'll assemble it. The louvres I will assemble in its subframe on the bench, and then I will, once that's assembled, I will install it into this main frame, main register frame. So, but yeah, so, and hopefully this will work. There's a gap here that I'm using that I have to have there by the rack that allows it to rise and fall as those louvers pivot back and forth. I need to allow for that radial action. So that's why that gap is there. So we'll see how it all works out. But yeah, this should be kind of fun, maybe a little challenging, and I'm gonna try out some new stuff. So here we go with the build, or at least part one of the build. So in this segment, I need to clean up the machine marks off the wood from the saw marks from the table saw and the dado stack, as well as the joiner marks in the thickness planer. I'm using a number 7 joiner plane here with a IBC plane iron on it. That joiner plane was built in between 1876 and 1880, based on the research I did. I also use a Wood River number 4 smoothing plane, which is really nice, and a number 92, also a Wood River shoulder plane or a rabbit plane. So I'm learning how to use these things, so I'm sorry for the crappy technique. But you also get to go for a ride on my crosscut sled and get to see me use my brand new built mitre sled. So enjoy.